So let's talk about another hero of the journey, Kavita. Hey, it's very like. So she just finished her black belt.
Yeah.
What do you call in Japanese, right?
Kyokushin Kaikan Black Belt.
Black belt, yeah.
Karate.
So what inspired you to come into like? See, the base would be regarding gender equality and how girls need like more empowerment because that is the theme. So I have done like 2 interviews already. So you are not the first one. So what inspired you to even learn? Was it like your family was supportive?
Yes, yes, of course. My father is the one behind everything that we are today. Me and my sister both are into sports for a long
We can
time.
go a little bit over there.
Yeah.
A little bit of background noise. Huh.
So he's the one, the man behind us, to be in sports. He would just go look for places to where he can put us for sports. So back then it was not easy. We had to go look for it. Now everywhere things are easily available. It wasn't that easily available back then. So it took.
But was he into sports or what inspired him to? Because usually we see like parents would be like, if girls are there, then they would be like, no, it's a guy thing and don't go into
That's
like.
exactly. That's the change he wanted to bring in the family. Which
Okay,
is
nice.
What he never saw us any different. He in fact wanted us to be in everything, all fields, sports, be it sports. He would send us out at night 9 and 10. Just go bring stuff, get the groceries and all this. That boy back then he was a man whom I see as someone who saw everybody equally.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But that was rare back then. I
Very
mean,
rare, very rare.
now like it's coming a little bit like it's catching up. Like okay, girls, maybe we can allow them.
Yes.
Mostly, I guess it is like I don't know insecurity or like empowerment or something. But guys are starting to realize. I mean, it was I guess I see it as like maybe like a ego issue or something like.
Yeah.
No, if girls go out and like they prove themselves and then it's like oh we are not powerful anymore. I mean we are not like
The society
now we have to
has been
compete
like
with them also and
society is
how.
like that. It is more of like a habit. It has been formed like this for a long time.
What do you want to say to parents who have girl and boy, and what do you want to say to them like what they should think if they believe like okay no girls won't be safe if we send to these things. I mean what is your common message to people
They
like
need,
that?
they need protection for time being, of course. The way it is outside. They need to be protected, but that doesn't mean that there should not be equality. They should be treated equally. They should be treated equally.
And
Because
what is missing in society? What is the one thing that is missing in society concerning to this?
There's a lot of fear which we need to fight.
Fear in the people themselves or parents or the society or like who creates the fear? Let's go like deeper like what creates that fear thing? What
Maybe the
brings it?
news before
News media, yeah.
before the social media wasn't there this much. People would some of them were into it. Most of them wouldn't watch. But these days the news is everywhere. It spreads easily, and there's also fear which spreads easily, which we need to.
Because fear sells, right? You can scare someone. Oh, this girl got raped or
Yes, exactly.
this happened to this girl. Like repeat mode all media because they need attention. Oh, this news is there.
That's true. That's true. So just be yourself and then go according to what you feel. Then what is there in the society.
What if some girl is there but she want to learn martial arts or learn to defend herself but actually people are watching. Hello Gautam is watching. Awesome guys, missed it. We miss you too and we'll have a celebration soon. So Gautam I'll be doing like 3 people are watching actually but so if a girl is there but she wants to go out and she's like trapped and what would be your message to that girl like if her parents are not allowing her or what should she do because she cannot take the decision on her own now. She
No,
cannot.
but I definitely encourage parents to be more secure, and be confident, have faith and confidence in your children, and then send them out there. Let them just face the society. Let them not be timid and be at home. Just let them go out. Let them face it.
Yeah.
Not that.
You cannot protect for your full lifetime
Yes,
now.
for the lifetime.
Parents will go first. I feel like in most like this cases.
Yeah,
But,
yeah.
so they
That's
have
what
to.
I feel. Just encourage the children.
Sometimes I see like it is parents are like we want to defend our kids, but true way to defend is not to keep them in like secure blanket, but to put them in situation where they face in a like conscious predictable environment. They face all the weird situation, bad situation, what can happen. That would be the Uh, we are at what kilometer mark? Raj, what kilometer mark is this? 30, na? 30, 30. We are at 30. Gautam asked, where are you guys now? 30 kilometer mark. It's this restaurant, so we stopped here and like everyone is having food and also I'll rotate the camera around and we are waiting for the next one to come. So yes, I guess that's it and we'll continue more interviews. But that was her message. So in one line, what was it like? Parents should be more, should not be.
They should
Parents
have
should
confidence.
more open.
Yeah, more open.
Not like security is, yeah, security is not like, tell me like if I'm wrong on this or what are your opinion on this. Security is not like putting a blanket on your daughter or even your son, but it is putting them in a, consciously putting them in a situation like a martial art is good example, or let them start their own business brand, or like they want to go in weird field.
Experiment.
Exactly, experiment for themselves, because once in a controlled environment they face this, in a uncertain environment outside they'll be open to that and they'll be expecting uncertainty and all, right? They'll be trained for that in a conscious environment. Okay, so thanks and we'll, okay,
Thank you so much.
yeah, sure, okay, bye.